So we're on Stonehouse Brook in Barrington, New Hampshire, and we're going to set up a camera that's going to be taking pictures every 10 minutes for the next several months of the brook and the forest, and we'll get to see how the landscape changes from late summer, early fall through midwinter probably. So this is basically a pelican case that's been modified to hold this GoPro camera. So there's the GoPros here. I've pre-programmed this to basically take a picture every 10 minutes between now and February 1st. And this is the solar panel. So with this panel and that battery in a sunny location, this will stay charged forever. Well, it's just exciting to be able to, I've done time lapses for, a couple hours at a time, maybe 10 or 12 hours at a time, which is really fun and really, it's a beautiful way to see how the light changes over the course of the day. But to be able to see how the whole landscape changes, especially in a place like New England, I think is really going to be powerful. It's going to be cool. Do your thing.